minus 8 plus 8 times 4 whole divided by 8. This is very tricky math question for many, but try to solve by your own and comment your answers to get featured in the shortcut list. Okay, these are top commenters. You can be the part of this list. These are top commenters here. Here, when we follow step-wise route, when we solve like this, that minus 8 plus 8 times 4 divided by 8, minus 8 and plus 8 cancel out, that is equals to 0, and 0 times 4 divided by 8, and 0 times 4, that is 0 by 8, which equals to 0. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. I will show you how you can solve in a right way by using PEMDAS, or you can say order of operation. Here we will rewrite our question: minus 8 plus 8 times 4 divided by 8. Now, according to PEMDAS, first preference will be given to what? We can see here there is minus, plus and multiplication. So first preference we will be given to minus, that is multiplication. So first we will operate this multiplication part. We can write minus 8 plus 8 times 4, that is 32 divided by 8. Now there is addition, so when we add minus 8 with 32, what we will get? Okay, here we can say 32, we can simply write plus 32 minus 8. When we subtract that, you will get answer 24. So we will simply write 24 because bigger number have the positive signs, so we will put here plus. Now 8, 24 divided by 8 is equals to 40. So here right answer is 3. And if you are seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like, subscribe channel and watch these more videos. Thanks for watching.